Let's embark on a journey into the world of palmito, a hidden delicacy found deep within certain species of palm trees. While many might enjoy its tender, mild flavor in salads or gourmet dishes, few truly understand the intricate process required to bring this luxurious vegetable from the heart of a palm tree to your plate. In this video, we'll explore every step of the palmito story, from the careful cultivation of palm trees in tropical climates, through the labor-intensive and highly skilled art of harvesting, to the meticulous processing that ensures only the finest quality hearts of palm make it to market. The tale of palmito is not just one of farming, it's a story of balance between nature and human expertise. Did you know that it can take several years before a palm tree is ready to produce palmito? And that sustainable harvesting techniques are critical to protect these delicate ecosystems? If you've ever wondered what makes palmito so special, or why it's considered a gourmet product around the world, you're in for an in-depth look at its fascinating journey. From the moment the seeds are planted, through years of patient care, to the precision needed in harvesting to avoid damaging the tree, the cultivation of palmito is a true art form. Join us as we delve into the intricate steps that transform this hidden treasure into a beloved ingredient and uncover the traditions and innovations behind its sustainable production. By the end of this video, you'll not only appreciate palmito as a delicious treat, but also understand the dedication and expertise behind each bite. So stay with us, and if you're curious about more fascinating journeys like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. The journey begins in lush, tropical regions where palm trees such as Euterpe edulis, Jussera, and Bactris cassipes, peach palm, are carefully cultivated. These palms thrive in warm climates, requiring well-drained soil, consistent moisture, and plenty of sunlight. Farmers meticulously select the right species, as not all palm trees produce the high-quality hearts of palm, or palmito, that consumers demand. It takes patience, as the trees typically need several years, sometimes up to 7 years, before they are mature enough for harvesting. During this time, growers monitor the trees closely, ensuring they are free from pests and disease, while also managing water and nutrients for optimal growth. Once the palm trees reach maturity, the intricate and labor-intensive process of harvesting begins, requiring both skill and precision. The heart of the palm, or palmito, is found deep within the tree's trunk, surrounded by layers of tough, fibrous material. To access this prized core, workers must carefully cut down the entire palm tree, a task that demands not only physical effort but also expertise to ensure that the delicate heart remains intact during the process. Using sharp tools, they strip away the tough outer layers of the trunk, gradually working their way toward the tender, ivory-colored heart that lies at the center. The extraction of palmito is often done by hand in many regions, especially where wild varieties of palm are harvested. This manual approach is essential to avoid damaging the palmito, which could compromise its quality and market value. Moreover, hand harvesting allows for a more controlled and sustainable approach, particularly when dealing with slow-growing wild species like Euterpe edulis. In such cases, sustainable farming practices are critical, as overharvesting can devastate natural populations and lead to long-term ecological consequences. With wild palms, if entire trees are felled without careful management, forests can be rapidly depleted, endangering both the species and the ecosystems they support. In contrast, species like the peach palm, Bactris cassipes, offer a more sustainable option for cultivation. Unlike other palms, peach palms are capable of regenerating after harvesting. Instead of removing the entire tree, only a portion of the stalk is cut, allowing the tree to regrow and be harvested multiple times over its lifespan. This regenerative ability makes the peach palm an attractive choice for more environmentally conscious farming practices, as it enables a consistent supply of palmito without the need to continuously plant new trees or contribute to deforestation. The duality between wild harvested palms and cultivated varieties underscores the importance of sustainable harvesting practices. As consumer demand for palmito continues to grow, especially in international markets, balancing the need for production with the preservation of natural habitats and ecosystems remains a critical challenge for the industry. Once harvested, the delicate hearts of palm must be handled with precision and care to ensure their unique texture and flavor are preserved. Immediately after being cut from the palm tree, the hearts are swiftly transported to nearby processing facilities to avoid any loss of freshness. The journey from field to facility is a race against time, as the tender palmito can quickly begin to deteriorate if not processed promptly. Upon arrival, the first crucial step is a meticulous cleaning. Each heart of palm is carefully inspected and thoroughly washed to remove any residual fibers, dirt, or impurities that may have adhered during the harvest. This process is essential to prepare the palmito for the next stages and ensure a pristine final product. After cleaning, the hearts are either sliced into uniform pieces or left whole, depending on the intended market or recipe. The decision to slice or keep them intact is influenced by consumer preferences, as sliced palmito is often used in salads or appetizers, while whole hearts are favored in gourmet dishes that showcase their impressive appearance. Next comes the blanching process, one of the most critical steps in preserving the integrity of the palmito. Blanching involves briefly immersing the hearts in boiling water to soften their texture while maintaining their natural flavor. This delicate balance is key, as overcooking could lead to a loss of the subtle, mild taste that makes palmito so prized, while undercooking might leave the hearts too firm. The blanching also helps to lock in the white color of the hearts and prevents any enzymatic reactions that could spoil the product. Once blanched, the hearts of palm are swiftly packed into jars or cans, often immersed in a solution of brine or water. This liquid serves not only as a preservative, extending the product's shelf life, but also as a means to maintain the palmito's tender texture and mild flavor during storage and transport. The final product, whether packed in jars or cans, is then sealed and ready for distribution. This careful process, from harvest to packaging, ensures that the palmito retains the delicate characteristics that have made it a sought-after ingredient in cuisines around the world. Whether enjoyed in fresh salads, as a gourmet garnish, or in traditional recipes, each bite of palmito carries with it the story of a plant that has been meticulously cultivated, expertly harvested, and carefully preserved. The journey of palmito from palm tree to plate is one of care, precision, and sustainability. Whether it's harvested from the wild or cultivated on farms, each step in its production is designed to protect the environment and provide a high-quality product for consumers. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of agriculture, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content on fascinating crops like palmito.